And now is the turn of Professor Daniele Del Rio from the School of Advanced Study on Food and Nutrition, University of Parma. Daniele, please.
Thank you, Chiara. I hope you hear me loud and clear, and I also welcome you to Parma. Actually, I would have loved to welcome you physically in Parma. As you might remember, some of the past editions have actually been carried out in presence, and we were thinking at the beginning of this edition to organize it in presence, and then of course things turned the wrong way, and we decided to go fully online. But believe me when I tell you that this is not going to be the last, and that the next and future editions will be once again in Parma. So I'm really sad that you are not physically here, touching everything we have here in the city, and also getting in touch with the university and its institutes and departments. I'm also bringing you the welcome of the rector of the university, Professor Paolo Andrei. And well, I've been involved in the beginning of the scientific organization of this summer school, and I think we've overcome all the past editions. This is a really special edition, and I'm really happy that you're so many and following it. I'm also in need to acknowledge the hard work of the part of the scientific committee that is from my university, in particular the chair of this summer school, Professor Davide Menozzi, but also Professor Chiara Dall'Asta, who you just heard introducing us, and Professor Maria Cecilia Mancini, and also Professor Giovanni Sogari. And I hope I'm not forgetting anybody on our side. The other thing I really want to tell is that it's a privilege to work with EFSA in organizing this summer school, and it's also a privilege to work with the Catholic University and the Piacenza headquarters. You will hear Professor Cocconcelli in a minute. I think we are stronger together, and so this concept of cooperation that Bernard just mentioned in larger terms also applies locally here. This area of Emilia-Romagna is called the Food Valley, and I think the two universities together and the presence of EFSA, of course, make it one of the destinations that you want to, come to stop by if you want to become a food scientist at 360 degrees. We are competing in some aspects, which is positive because each one of us want to do better, but also complementing each other in so many ways. We're participating in many projects together, including this one. So I'm really happy that we're doing this, and we're doing this together with EFSA. And I also wish you a fantastic 3 days, and I hope you like it, and I hope you will consider, as the program changes every year, even for the future years, and maybe reaching Parma physically would be the final success. And I really hope to see you here in the next future. So welcome to Parma, even if just virtually, and back to you, Chiara.
Thank you, Daniele. Thank you very much.